Hey, so I got some mold in my grow, and basically what I use is baking soda water. I use anywhere from 1 to 3 teaspoons per gallon of water. The water I'm using is RO water, and here is 1 teaspoon. But with this, I'm just going to start off with 1 teaspoon because these are fairly young sprouts and I don't want it to be harsh on them. I'm gonna make a mess here. I didn't make that much of a mess. So just 1 teaspoon per gallon of water and shake it up real nice. And I usually let it sit for like a minute or two and then I'll shake it again. And then I'll put it in a spray bottle, excuse me, and get to spraying. All right. All right, so here's an update on my grow. Some stuff is dying. Well, it looks like it's dying. I know these are definitely dying back here. This stuff, I don't think it's gonna sprout, so I'm gonna have to start those over. Things got pretty dry in here. Also, things got pretty moldy. I think these might pull through. Little tomato sprouted, pepper, and some more pepper. So I'm excited about the pepper. I've never grown pepper indoors. I usually just bought like a pepper plant from like Home Depot or Walmart and plant it outside and just let it do its thing. So I'm pretty excited to see how that turns out. Basil is doing okay. Those are doing okay. Cotton, I don't know. Things stayed wet for a while. And then I put this little clip fan to get the air circulating and stuff to help dry things up. I had a lot of mold grow. As you can see, like there in the corner. Hold on, let me zoom in. Yeah, you can see some mold right there. Yeah. So things were wet a little too long, but that fan definitely helped dry it up pretty fast. Now I made some baking soda water to knock down some mold. Back at it again. And I'm just gonna spray. I did 1 teaspoon. Now I don't know if this is the right way to water aloe vera. I've just been trying to avoid them, but I think since I got the mold, I don't care. But yeah, this will definitely knock some of it down. Now as far as the baking soda water goes, I only did 1 teaspoon per gallon, and if the mold issue doesn't dissipate, then I'm going to increase the strength. And usually I do anywhere from 1 teaspoon per gallon to 3 teaspoons per gallon. In another video of mine, where I was growing tomatoes, I had some mold and I fried my leaves, and fried my tomato plants with the baking soda water. So yeah, you got to be careful on the strength. It's always good to start off with a little amount, and if it's not working, then increase the strength. But yeah, this will knock it down, and it shouldn't be an issue from here on out. Things did get really dry. I don't know if I mentioned. As you can see, these little guys back here, they didn't die because it was too dry. They actually died because it was too wet, and they just started kind of peeling over, and then yeah, now that's where they're at now. And I'll be taking those out of here. I'll also take these out. I don't think anything's gonna sprout out of those, so I'll just go ahead and reuse the Pro Mix that's inside those and try to start the sprouts again. And that's basically it. Thanks for checking me out.